In this video, I wanted to share with you an absentee real estate owner solicitation letter that I received because I'm an absentee owner of real estate. And so other investors will send all kinds of marketing to properties that we own. And of course, that's tremendous intel for us to see what the competition is doing. I wanted to share with you this piece because I got it yesterday, and it's just further confirmation of what the competition is doing. But it's also something that, of course, the people that are receiving these are seeing as well. And a lot of times people are going to be motivated when they're seeing these kind of mail pieces, be it sent to houses or to land. This happened to be land that I own. And so I wanted to share this with you because it's important to put ourselves in the shoes of the people that we're marketing to, so we understand what it is they're seeing, so we can do things differently so that our message rises to the surface. So in this case, I just wanted to first show you the size of the envelope that I received. So this is a little bit bigger than just your normal letter size envelope. And also as far as what was inside, because this is an offer to buy the land, there's a little bit more to it. So I wanted to share that with you as well. Usually when I'm receiving solicitation type of letters or postcards for houses, it's going to have just pretty much the services, the I type of marketing, I can do this, I can do that type of marketing that you're still seeing on here, but it's not coming with an offer. And when it comes to buying land, part of the trainings that are out there to new investors and older investors alike is to send out some kind of a solicitation letter that says, I'm interested in your property. If you're interested in selling, let me know. That's one type of a letter. The other is the type that I got here, and that is, I'm interested in buying your property. Here's the price that I can offer you. And then it pretty much comes with a purchase agreement. So if somebody's motivated, they can then take action. In this case, it also says, if this price is not satisfactory to you, put in a price that is. So that keeps that conversation going. Now, I'm not a motivated absentee property owner, but when it comes to vacant land that's out there, of course, people are just shotgunning all over the country for people that are on the outskirts of metropolitan areas that might have property that at one time it was a dream, there was something they were going to do with that property, and of course, time has passed. So if a letter like this comes their way and they're not interested in that property anymore, well, the timing could be good. So that is definitely a system of marketing when it comes to land. But as far as the solicitations that we get for houses, we're not a motivated home seller or a distressed home seller. We're not behind on any payments. That type of marketing is shotgun. So those are dollars that are wasted on people like us. Absentee real estate owners aren't necessarily motivated because they're absentee owners. It could be by design. It could be that it's rental property, it's vacation property, it's VRBO type of property, short-term rental type of property. It's strategic in the ownership. Those people aren't motivated, but a lot of times investors are taught to go after absentee owners. Now, obviously, if somebody has to sell their house and they can't sell their house and they are not truly motivated enough to walk away from that house and let it just go back to the lender, those people may have to move and then make 2 payments. Those people could be motivated in that situation. But in a scenario like this and a lot of other type of absentee owners, I'm not motivated. But I wanted to share with you some of what is in here so we can learn what our competition is doing and learn what the people that ultimately we are marketing to, be it for, houses or anything else, we want to focus in on people that are motivated, right? People that have some distress. So that way we're cutting the fat and the waste out of so many marketing dollars and just focusing in on those people that need our help right now. But it's so important to know what the competition is doing. So let me put on my reading glasses here and I'll just share with you a little bit. There is a price on the property that they are offering. So that is how it's starting. They're addressing me, and then it says it's talking paying extra property taxes, the upkeep, the maintenance, the money's locked up in an investment that could be working elsewhere, that could be generating more. So they're talking about potential pain points right? That is something they're trying to tap into if somebody had those pain points. I don't have those pain points, but if somebody does and they're not feeling good about their land in this particular case, well, that could be something that stirs up those emotions, and then it goes on to how their service can help them. And that is something that you're hearing from people that are reaching out to landowners or homeowners when they're soliciting to uncover somebody that would like to sell the property. So in this case, it's things that I've shared a lot, and that is no closing costs, no agent fees. We pay 100% of your closing costs, pretty standard stuff. No more tax bills. We'll pay any back property taxes. You get your money fast. We plan on closing in 30 days. No disclosure paperwork. Your property is purchased as is. 100% cash offers, no surprises. The price we agree upon is the amount you receive. Now, as you know, I've shared a lot in the past on these types of solicitation pieces because I've been collecting them for years. And it's a wealth of information, and I've been sharing a lot of the big hooks that people are sending out trying to get somebody interested in selling their house in particular. And it's a lot of these kind of things. We do things differently. We're not just shotgunning our marketing and wasting dollars. Absolutely not doing that. We're not saying the same old thing like all the other investors. We're truly here to help. We want to listen. We want to find out what the homeowner's needs are so we can supply them with solutions that are going to work for them. We want to cut the noise out of these types of solicitations and features of services of other investors so people can realize that they have found the person that can truly help them. They don't need to talk to anybody else. They don't need to talk to the myriad of investors that are all saying pretty much the same thing. They just need somebody who can listen, who can help, and that they feel that connection with. So I just wanted to share with you something I got yesterday. I hope that helps, and I'll share more with you in the next video.